So this is USD CAD, a 4-hour time frame. I actually use a simple support line to catch a beautiful 1:9 RR trait on this particular pair, right? And I'm going to go right ahead in the chat and explain to you how I was able to catch this particular trait. It's very easy, and sometimes let me just chip in this. Sometimes we think the complicated concepts are what is going to be the most profitable at trading strategies, but then it turns out it's just the easy things we can easily do on the market. Now, I did a multi-time frames analysis, right? I'm an intraday trader, so I'm situated between a swing trader and then a scalper. No, not even a scalper, just between a swing trader and a day trader, right? So let me go right on the chart. So I'll start off with the daily time frame, and then the daily time frame. Let's see what happens. So right ahead, I think around June, yes, June, July, and August, I realized this particular thing, right? You see, USD cards will push, come, respect this low, push again, come back and respect this particular low here. And they on the third one, it pushed impulsively to the upside. So, and if you understand forex trading, we are looking for patterns, or we have principles that we expect that things or price action in the past is likely to occur the same way in the future, right? So that was what I used right here. And if you look right here, let me just show you something. If you look right here and then you look here again, you can see the similarities, right? You can see the similarities in the picture, right? Very beautiful. Now let me now go to the 4-hour and then tell you how I was able to mark my zones and then get the treat. So we move to the 4-hour. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, right? And then yeah, I think this is where that very support is, right? This right here is where the support is. Sorry, let me use this. All right, so this is where the support is, this right here, right? And if you remember on the daily time frame, it was on what, the third touch that price pushed to the upside impulsively. So after seeing that on the daily time frame, when I came to the 4-hour, I was waiting patiently. So price started off this. So I noticed it here that price respected this particular what low right here. So I was waiting for price to come to the third one and push what impulsively to the upside, because it has ever happened. You remember on the daily time frame. So when I got this particular touch right here, I was waiting here to collect my trade. So my entry was here and my stop loss was just right below, like this. I think it was like this. Battery, please charge. Fuck. All right, so like this, and then I targeted this particular order block right here. So this is the order block, and then yeah, boom, that was how my trade went. And if you look carefully, we have an order block which was supposed to reverse price. I think it did react small, but then price broke through it. And if you are trading SMC, this will serve as what, a breaker block for you. But then I'm not just going to base on this what trade alone to just say when price retests this I'm going to buy. No, so I'm going to add another confluence before I will continue the buy on USD card. So I think I use the Fibonacci retracement tool to this side. What's this? So if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, right, like this to this side, you realize that areas between what, the 50 and the 61% is very good, and you see the breaker block fits perfectly into that zone. So I will take an aggressive entry, or I'll set a limit order on the 50%, right? But you can also take it what, on the center, but then I'll take it on the 50%, and my stop loss will just be right below there are 60% retracement point, and then I will continue the buy. But where will I be targeting? My first profit will be at this place, but then I will be looking to get more entries, because on the daily time frames, I think price is what heading towards this particular zone right here. So let me quickly mark it on the chart. So this particular zone. So I'm hoping price will get to that place. So 4 hour. Yes. So this is my outlook for USD cards after getting these beautiful trades. Yeah. And I'm observing that same pattern. Any day, anytime it repeats itself on USD card, I'm going to take the trade. So now that I've taken one trade, I can confirm that this pattern is going to actually work, right? Yeah. So let's hope for this trade two to also go. I think it's 1:3, which is very good. Yeah. And yeah, that is all for you today.